Hey guys, today I have this 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. It has a 2-year warranty, is supposed to be ultra quiet and drain free. It has fast cooling, and the set includes a snap install window kit, which is supposed to make it very easy to set up the device. It is suitable for medium-sized rooms up to 350 square feet, and you can control it with a remote control, with the buttons on top of the device, and also with an app. It has Wi-Fi, and the app is compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home. So looks like a very nice portable air conditioner, and I'm really looking forward to test it. I bought it specifically to cool down my office. My office gets very warm in the summer months, and I'm trying to save some money. Instead of cooling down the entire home, I'm just trying to cool down the office with this device and save some money. So let's check it out. Setting up the air conditioner is very easy. You just have to assemble the window kit and the 2 hoses. It's not very complicated, but I'm not convinced about the quality. Everything is made of plastic and it feels kind of flimsy. I'm not sure how long it will last, especially with the summer heat. But I'm not too worried about that right now, because there's a 2-year warranty and there are also plenty of window kits available online. So if something happens and the warranty is expired, I just get another window kit. The window kit itself looks okay. It's not really nice, but not too bad. It gets the job done. The air conditioner, however, is pretty good. From the moment I turned it on, it started cooling my office, and it's really nice. It's not too noisy, and it doesn't look too bad when it's standing there in the corner. So I'm happy with it right now. The temperature in my office is really nice, and it's a great device. Okay, so the portable air conditioner works without any issues. It's very easy to use. It cools my office pretty good. It's not noisy at all, and it doesn't look too bad. So if you need something like this, check out the link in the description, get your own portable air conditioner, and be ready for the summer.